The new team of the week players are out. We're gonna see if we can get the unlimited time. The limited time. I don't know who he is or what he is. For all I know, it could be a coach knowing knowing Madden, but that's very unlikely. We get a playoff player. This is a whole bunch of packs. Sold my best players so we can do this pack opening. Hopefully we can get one elite. Come on, bro. No one wants you, Lamar Miller. Alright, so let's get... If I had more points, then I would get a... What's his name? Mutt Gear collectible. That is rare. Pretty sure it's rare. And Eric Ebron got 3 gold players / items in that. And let's see if we can actually get more than one Mutt Gear in this pack opening. Got a right guard. And that looks about it. I don't get very many elites. I'm not good with packs. The only packs that I'm really good with are all pro packs. TJ Ward. And in the all pro packs, I normally get such good players. Like, I remember I pulled in a pro pack, I pulled Clay Matthews, the flashback version. That's my only good pull besides a base elite. And we're coming to the end of the pack opening already. And let's see. We get Paul Richardson. He had a good game against the Lions. The last pack of the day. Can we at least pull an elite? I hope so. Oh, I should have used those coins. Mutt Gear. Should have used the coins to get gold badges. But hey, you live and die. Well, let's see how many more Mutt Gear collectibles do I need? Mutt Gear, the offensive jersey, and 1, 2. Oh, I hate when that happens. It's like a little mini glitch that no one ever talks about. Oh my god. Why does Madden always screw people over like this? I don't want my throwback, I want my Mutt Gear. And it's still not gonna give us our Mutt Gear. Please? Oh my god. Something sold. Come on, bro. Well, I guess I can't do it. The only things I have that can sell right now are 10k or 15. 10 to 17k. If I get Bryce, oh, I forgot, I didn't sell them yet. But we're just gonna add our last Mutt Gear into the Mutt Gear stuff, wherever it is. One. There it is. Ooh, I almost quick sold it. Alright. I'll see you guys later.